Hey everyone, I'm Ryan. If your AI videos look stiff or fake, here's the simple truth. Only two models right now deliver real cinematic quality: Google Veo and Kling AI. Veo wins at realism. The lighting, textures, camera effects, it all feels like a real film. Kling is close, but Veo looks more polished instantly. For motion, Kling is king. If your scene has running, jumping, or complex physics, Kling's movement is smoother and more believable. But for emotion and close-ups, Veo is unmatched. Its micro-expressions make characters feel alive. Prompt accuracy? Veo also handles long, detailed instructions better, while Kling sometimes simplifies. So here's the shortcut. Action or dynamic product shots. Use Kling. Character-driven or hyper-realistic ads. Use Veo. And once you've made the videos, you still need to know if they're making money. That's where Vibelets comes in. It connects to your ad accounts, tracks ads data in real time, and tells you exactly which ads to scale and which to kill. Plus, it generates new hooks and scripts based on your data.